Today is December 30th, 2006. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. And since yesterday, at about this time, Albuquerque has received the highest amount of snowfall since they've been keeping records. So basically in the history of Albuquerque, I guess. But, and you know, it's still snowing. Unbelievable. So I guess I might have a hard time making it up to the airbase for a run. No, I want to go up there. I want to walk up there.
This already record-breaking day.
Yeah, because take a look at the radar. Live pinpoint Doppler max is still tracking the snow, and as long as it's moving from west to east, the storm's not moving. When it starts going from north to south, we know it's finally trekking out of here. Here's a look at our record total, the snowiest day ever for any calendar day in Albuquerque at 10.5 inches. We'll probably add to that before midnight, and the snowiest December on record with 14.8 inches. And it's not over yet. All of these watches, warnings, and advisories continue through 5 p.m.
All right.
And if you're like us, when you get up in the morning,
By the way, this is December 29th, 2006, not 2007 like I said earlier, like a retard. Okay.